If you play local media on your PC, there is a good chance you have VLC Media Player installed on your system right now. My name is Abdullah. You're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're talking about how you can fix VLC Media says your input is not working when you're trying to play MP3 files. So the first thing that you can do is to reset VLC's preferences. You can do this by just launching VLC Media Player. Head over to Tools, click Preferences, and in the Interface tab, you'll find the Reset Preferences button right at the bottom. Go ahead and click it. This resets VLC Media Player preferences, so if you have any misconfigured setting that may not be allowing playback, that now gets resolved. The next thing we're going to do is to check file ownership. If you don't own a file, VLC Media Player will likely not be able to play it. So for example, I have a few stock free music tracks right here. This is what I'm going to demonstrate them on. So as you can see, they are all MP3 tracks. Let's take this one. Right click and then click on Properties. In here, head over to Security and then click on Edit. Select your user in here. For example, my user is Ragnar/users, and then I can allow full control over a particular file. Click on Apply, click OK again, and now if I try to play this in VLC Media Player, I should be able to play it just fine. So yeah, as you can see, now the file is working and you should be able to listen to the audio in the background as well. If that didn't work either and you're using VLC to stream from a web source or from a URL, what you can try is disabling the Windows firewall or any third-party antivirus programs that you have. Now, I use Windows Defender, and honestly, it's a good enough antivirus for most people. So Windows Defender, you don't really need to turn it off, but Windows Firewall, you can try disabling only as a temporary measure. We do not recommend that you disable any antivirus or firewall or protection programs in general on your system. So search for firewall and network protection and click on the first option that appears. In here, we are going to zoom in and click on allow an app through firewall. Now just scroll down this list and make sure that VLC is in there. So as you can see, VLC Media Player is in the list and it's allowed to communicate over public networks but not private networks. So I'll just click on change settings, allow this as well, and click OK. Once you've allowed VLC through the firewall, it should start working fine, but in case it doesn't, you can also go ahead and completely turn off the firewalls as well. Just click on the firewall you want to disable, so private, public, however you want, and just press the toggle off. Windows will ask you for permissions and the firewall will be turned off. Make sure that you only do this temporarily, just to check if VLC is working, and if it is, find a way to make it go through the firewall instead of disabling the firewall just to run VLC, because that can be a security issue. Okay, if that didn't fix your problem, we can try updating VLC Media Player as well. So look up VLC Media Player, and 9 out of 10 times VLC will automatically show you if there is an update pending for you to be installed. But in case it doesn't, you can go to help, click on check for updates, and as you can see, there is an update pending. There's a few minor security issues, frame freezes, nada. VLC updates are often adding towards the program's stability, so you might want to download it. They're not very big, so installation and updating does not really take a lot of time, as you can see. And now if I click finish, should open up without any issues. Last but not least, if nothing else works, just go ahead and reinstall VLC. Now to delete it, press Windows key plus I to open Windows settings. Head over to apps, click on installed apps. Now we're going to wait for this list to load. Search for VLC in here VLC Media Player. Go all the way to the right, click on these three dots, click on uninstall. Windows will ask you, are you sure you want to uninstall this program? Go ahead and click uninstall again. And once you're done, you can re-download VLC from the official VLC website, and that should fix the problem. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.